Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change phone display on Oppo phone. So this is my phone and I want to change the phone display here. Just go to settings menu at your phone and then scroll down until you found this personalization menu. Just click on that, and then here you can already see font and display size. Just click on this, and if you want to change the phone, there are two options, Roboto and then Oppo Sans. But if you want to find more, just click on more. And the app will be directed to these phones that you can buy. So this is not a free phone, okay, but if you want to use the free one, just choose one of these two options. I'm going to change it into Oppo Sans and then click on apply. And then just like that, the phone has been changed from Roboto to Oppo Sans. Okay, so that is how to change phone display on Oppo phone. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.